So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. You can follow everything that I'm going to do up here. So first you want to expand history classes root. And now you want to find .exe. We're going to scroll down until we find .exe. Here it is. You want to click on .exe. You want to double click on default. Make sure that in this box it says exe file, all in lowercase like how it is on my screen, and then click on OK. Next, on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down until we find exe file. Scroll down until we find exe file. You want to expand this. Next, you want to expand shell. Next, you want to expand open. And now you want to click on command. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you want to double click on default. It should look like this, how it was on my screen. I'm also going to leave this down below in the description. You can just copy and paste it into the box. And it should now appear here looking like this. Now once you make the validator this right here, you want to click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.